Hey everyone, have you ever gotten a check and dreaded the whole bank deposit ordeal? Long lines, weird hours, and who even carries checks these days, right? Well, what if I told you there was a faster, easier way to deposit checks and access your money instantly? That's where Relay comes in. Now, before we jump into how Relay makes check deposits a breeze, let's talk about why ditching the traditional bank might be the move for you. Cut to montage of people waiting in line at a bank, frustrated expressions. Traditional banks can feel stuck in the past. Limited hours, surprise fees, and a one-size-fits-all approach just don't cut it anymore. Relay, on the other hand, is built for the modern world. It's a mobile banking app that offers all the features you need without the hassle. Cut back to the host. Think of Relay as your financial sidekick. You can manage your money, send and receive payments, and even get a debit card, all from your phone. Plus, with Relay, there are no hidden fees, no minimum balance requirements, and guess what? Deposits are a breeze, including checks. So, how exactly do you deposit a check with Relay? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. Cut to screen with title card. Depositing a check with Relay easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Gear up. First things first, you'll need a couple of things. The Relay app downloaded on your phone, of course. If you haven't already, signing up for Relay is quick and painless. The check you want to deposit. Make sure it's endorsed properly. That means signing your name on the back, usually just above the For Deposit Only line. Step 2. Open the Relay app and find the deposit feature. With your phone in hand, open the Relay app. The interface is super user-friendly, so finding the deposit feature shouldn't be a problem. Look for something like Deposit Funds or Add Money. Step 3. Prepare to capture the check magic. Once you've accessed the deposit feature, Relay will guide you through a quick process. Here's the cool part, you get to deposit your check electronically. No need to find an ATM or battle the bank teller. Step 4. Master the art of the mobile check deposit. Relay will use your phone's camera to capture an image of your check. Make sure the entire check is clearly visible in the frame, with good lighting. There might be on-screen prompts to help you position it perfectly. Step 5. Confirm, confirm, confirm. Once you've captured a good image of the check, Relay will ask you to confirm the amount. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Typos happen, and you don't want any delays in accessing your funds. Step 6. Sit back, relax, and watch your money grow, virtually. After confirming the details, Relay will process your deposit. The best part? The funds are typically available instantly or within 1 business day. That's right, no more waiting days for your check to clear. Bonus tip, hold onto the physical check, for now. Even though the deposit is electronic, Relay recommends holding onto the physical check for a short period, just in case. They'll let you know when it's safe to shred it or dispose of it securely. Cut back to the host. So there you have it. Depositing checks with Relay is a breeze. No more bank lines, no more waiting, just a quick and easy process that puts your money where it belongs, in your account, ready to use. Relay is all about making your financial life easier. It's a modern banking solution that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. So ditch the traditional bank and join the Relay revolution. Outro music begins. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.